My dear colleagues, hope you and your families are all keeping well. I know you have lots of questions in your mind. And the most important question is, when you go back to work after the lockdown, how do you ensure that you stay safe? The co-workers with whom you work in the plants and offices, they stay safe, and most importantly, your family stays safe. And who can be a better person to answer these questions than our own Dr. J.C. Khilnani. Dr. Khilnani is the chairman, Institute of Pulmonary, Critical Care and Sleep Disorders at Pushpawati Singhania Hospital and Research Institute, New Delhi. He is also former professor and head at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi.
That majority of cases, that is 97 to 98% of the patients, they have simply like a viral infection which presents in the form of fever, cough, running nose, sneezing, and without any medication the symptoms disappear in 5 to 7 days and person becomes free of corona infection. There is no need for panic. What we need to do is to prevent the transmission of infection, and now we know how to protect ourselves. So there are few things which we all need to practice. Since the lockdown will be taken off and we'll all have to go to our respective work, whatever we are doing. So it is important for us to understand as to what we should do to prevent this infection. So there are three things which are important. One is social distancing. This is because we know now that this virus does not go beyond 6 feet, or we can say 1 meter. So you have to keep a distance from your fellows and other people at least 1 meter, whether you are in a queue or whether you are sitting in the office. Second is that you should always wear a mask. It's not necessary for you to wear an N95 mask. You can wear a simple surgical mask or even a mask made at home from a thick cloth is sufficient, which can be washed frequently. Everybody, including yourself and around you, should wear a mask. Third thing is that this infection spreads by fomites. What are fomites? Fomites are a non-living thing like a glass or a table or a cardboard box or door handles or the knobs of taps. Those things transmit infection. So when a person coughs, the droplets fall on these things and the another person touches with his hand. So to prevent transmission by fomites, you need to keep the cleanliness at home and at your office place, and equally important or the most important thing is that keep washing your hands. Put the soap in your hands, make a good foam and then clean your webs. It is extremely important, and then subsequently you clean your both thumbs including the web, and finally the wrist needs to be cleaned. Whole thing takes about 20 to 30 seconds, and then wash it with the running water and then dry your hands. If the facility of water and the wash basin and soap is not available, you can do the same thing using hand sanitizer, which should contain 60% of alcohol. And with that also you take about 5 ml of sanitizer and clean your hands from both sides and the thumb and the wrist, and then dry it in the air. Don't dry it with the cloth. If you do all these three things, then you are well protected from corona. So finally friends, I would like to emphasize that there is no need for a panic, there is no need for a scare.